To obtain the lower quartile, we need to locate the lower quartile. It says some text may tell you that the median can also be considered to be the middle quartile. However, it is common to designate the quartiles as the lower quartile and the upper quartile. The steps to locate the quartiles are similar to those of the median. Steps: ensure that the values are arranged in ascending order. This has already been achieved because we have our stem and leaf. We organize the values using a stem and leaf. Then we have to locate the lower quartile and locate the upper quartile. Here are the formulas to locate them. The lower quartile location is a quarter times n plus 1, and the upper quartile location is 3/4 times n plus 1. So what I can do, I can basically do a copy and paste. I can call this median. Okay, so this working is for the median. And I can copy this, paste it, and this working will be for the lower quartile. Now the location is a quarter times n plus 1. So 1/4 times n plus 1. N remains 20. So I got to get a quarter times 21. So we go to the calculator and clear this up. 1/4 is a quarter. Okay. Let's see how much that is. That's 0.25, but just to prove it, 0.25 times 21. We are looking for the 5.25 value. 5.25. So therefore now we need the 5th and the 6th. Okay, just like how we have it here, the 7th and the 8th, because you have 7.75. So whenever your location is a decimal, you have to find two values and find their average. If it was the 5th value, that's it. Then you would just pluck out the 5th value, and that would be the lower quartile. But you have 5.25, which is between the 5th and the 6th. So we have to get the 5th and the 6th. So let's go back to the stem and leaf. Let's start counting. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. The 5th is 154, and the 6th is 156. So we are going to find the average of 154 and 156, and that would give us the lower quartile. So let's just edit this. This will be 154 plus 156 divided by 2, because it's two values. We find the average of. Use our calculator. First, we add 154 plus 156 is 310, and we divide this by 2. So our lower quartile in this example is 155. And we repeat something similar for the upper quartile. Oh, by the way, the lower quartile symbol is Q1. And the upper quartile symbol is Q3. There are 3 quartiles. So we're looking for the upper quartile. So let's just modify this. And we are going to make, well, we can make a continue with this recording. It will not take long. This will be 3/4 times n plus 1. And we go to our calculator. We know 3/4 is 0.75. So 0.75 times 21. We are looking for the 15.75 value. So we need the 15th and the 16th. And then we are going to find the average of those two values, these two data values. So the 15th, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15th is 170 and 16th is 180. So we have 170 and 180. And we find the average of 170 and 180 divided by 2, which will give us 175 US dollars. So this is how you calculate the quartiles. The median can be considered the second quartile. The upper quartile is the third quartile. If you want to put them in ascending order, I can swap the positions of the median, put it in the middle, lower quartile, middle quartile, and the upper quartile. Have been found with assistance of weekly notes number 2, unit 2.